to your own self. Delicious.
What's up YouTube, Eastern PA Fishing here. The date is January 11th and a very special package came in the mail today. It is the January 2018 Bass Pro edition of Mystery Tackle Box. You know what it is by now? Let's get right into this box. I found an Eagles bucket in the creek, so that's what I'm going to be using as a seat. Go Eagles, division champions. Woo! Whatever. Open to see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got. Right off the bat, keeper tournament going on, as to be expected. Measure your fish, tag it with hashtag Mystery Tackle Box, hashtag Mystery Tackle Box Keeper. You know what it is. MTB. Got our bait card. And right off the bat, for $15.99, $16, people, we have the pointer from Lucky Craft. $16 jerkbait. Awesome thing to be throwing this time of year. It dives too. So there's absolutely no information on this box in regards to dive depth and, you know, whether it's suspended, slow floating, or whatever. I'm suspecting that since this time of year, you want something that goes deep and will just chill there for a bit until you decide to give it some action. I'm assuming this is a suspending jerkbait. It does have a weight in here, so it's probably actually a slow sinking. This is a $16 crankbait, people. This is more than half the box. This is more than half of what you're paying already. This is a real dope bait. The color is Ghost Threadfin Shad. Wow, that's actually on the box. Surprising. Ghost Threadfin Shad. I'm really digging these colors. Something that the bass will pick up on this time of year, especially considering they're looking for more natural colors. This is a great bait to be throwing in clear water when those fish are just going to be suspending, looking for that easy meal, nothing with too much action, and just the right colors. This one is a winner for sure. Next up, for $8.99, we have the 6 Sense Crush. Oh wow, this is kind of shallow diving. This is a little 2 to 5 foot diving square bill crankbait. Really dope little colors. This is chrome threadfin, keeping it all natural. This is a real nice little crankbait, something you'll want to be throwing in obviously shallower water where there's possibly still structure. Any remaining structure this time of year, you'll want to be knocking this off of. See if you can pick up on some reaction strikes. Moving right along, we have a Roadrunner, Randy's Swimming Runner for $6.99. Okay, I've had one of these before. These are awesome. This is a dope bait. I love these things. Comes with the swim baits, everything you need. This is a really dope bait with the little underspin here. The Roadrunners. I did a video on this and I caught probably about like 5 or 6 bass within an hour on one of these things, and they work. They work really good in dirty water, murky water, you know, where there's not a lot of visibility because they just set off a ton of vibration. Not something you always want to be throwing this time of year because you don't want to be spooking too many of the fish. If the snow is melting and the water's up high and it's really cloudy from all the mud and the runoff, this is something you might want to be throwing. Awesome bait, $6.99. Moving right along. Next up, we have the T-Mac from Net Baits for $4.29. Oh wow, oh wow, wow. This is a 20 pack, this is dope. If you're fishing for bass this time of year, they're basically giving you 40 worms. You can throw the whole worm, but especially this time of year, I'd like to cut this right in half. It would be the perfect size. That's about, what size is this? 6 inch. You cut this in half, you got yourself a 3-inch little Senko there, little finesse Senko. Perfect. You can hook this up on a little Ned rig, catch a ton of bass with this thing. Mystery Tackle Box always coming through with the hookups. The Table Rock Red, that is the color by the way. Next up, from Catch Co. for $2.99, we have the Gator Hog. Another Mystery Tackle Box bait here, a little soft plastic going on. Let's see what we got. This is a really cool little bait. Usually your brush hogs are a little bigger than this, but this is nice for like a little more of a finesse presentation when the bass are kind of finicky. You can even pull off some of these appendages. I'll do it right now. And you can decrease the action, set off less vibration. You could even pinch off the tail here and just leave the claws, or you can pinch off the claws and just leave the tail. It doesn't really even matter. It's a very versatile bait, something you can actually throw year-round, not just in the winter. Mystery Tackle Box really coming through with making some awesome baits. This little watermelon red flake color. a really dope little bait. Never unimpressed with what Mystery Tackle Box puts out. Next up, we're digging into Carl's stash here. Another Mystery Tackle Box bait. Carl's stash, we have the Carolina rig set. Comes with everything you need to set up a Carolina rig. The swivel, beads, clanker, and mainline weight. Another great thing to be thrown this time of year is a Carolina rig. Your weight will be away from your soft plastic and it will still set off vibration from the clanking of that. Fish will come over to inspect that and see what's going on, and then they'll see your bait there, and they won't see your weight because it's not right up on your bait. Make sure you're using a nice fluorocarbon leader so they don't see your line either. You're good to go. Carl's Stash, the Carolina rig kit. Another great hookup from Mystery Tackle Box, going at the price of $3. I don't know if I said that. Last thing in the box here is a little bit of terminal tackle. We have Stickies offset worm hook. Little straight shank offset worm hook. Got a little sticky sticker on the back. I love stickers, by the way. Just a little straight shank worm hook. You can pair this with either of these soft plastics. Great little hook setup here. You get a 3 count. That should be plenty for this time of year. Always thankful to have that extra little bonus terminal tackle thrown in my Mystery Tackle Box. This month's Mystery Tackle Box sticker, it is the Stickies. It's the offset worm hook guy. Little hooks on his mustache. Dope little sticker. I love stickers. Slap this joint on your forehead, walk around with it all day, see how many compliments you get. And there it is, everybody. January 2018 Mystery Tackle Box Pro. Everything you need to get out on the water and catch some absolute donkeys. So there you have it, everybody. This month's Mystery Tackle Box Bass Pro. If you don't know what Mystery Tackle Box is, of course log on to mysterytacklebox.com. $15 to $25 a month online subscription, new hard baits, new soft plastics, a couple other fishing goodies in there. Christmas every month, people. Eastern PA Fishing here. This has been another Mystery Tackle Box Pro Bass Pro Edition unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you do so below. Subscribe for more new videos every week. Eastern PA Fishing, you know what it is by now. Keep on fishing.
You had to do it. You had to do it. You had to do it.